Hi, this is Eric from LD Products, and today I'll be showing you how to replace an LD brand compatible HP 134X toner cartridge in your HP LaserJet M209dw printer. LD brand compatible cartridges are a great low-cost alternative to the original HP brand. Installing an LD brand compatible cartridge is identical to installing the original HP, and the cartridge prints the same number of high quality pages too. Cartridges are sold in a high yield size which offers more prints, and that's what we're going to be installing today. If you see a flashing orange light with 3 dots on your printer or a low toner message pops up in the HP Smart app on your phone or laptop, it's time to replace your toner cartridge. Our printer is running low on toner now, so let's jump right into the installation. Now I've got a brand new LD compatible HP 134X toner cartridge here ready to go, and like we mentioned earlier, the installation process is going to be identical to installing the original cartridge. Let's open up the machine and just gently pull the old cartridge out. Then we can slide the new cartridge back into the exact same slot. Close up the cover and you're ready to print. And that's it. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions or printer tips you need help with, feel free to leave a comment below. Check out the link in the description to find the LD compatible cartridge featured in this video, which is a great way to save money. Or you can find other popular printing supplies at ldproducts.com. We are your ink and toner experts.